Hello everyone. As we have completed chapter 13, I am going to start chapter 14. In this chapter, you will learn about changes in our environment. So in this chapter, we will discuss whatever changes is happening every day in our environment. So first of all, we should know that what is environment. Actually, our world consists of living and non-living things. The living things comprises of plants and animals, and the non-living element in nature are air, water, soil, heat, and light. These are also called natural resources because they are available in nature and can be used by people in many ways. So whatever things is available in our environment for our use, that is called as natural resources. In nature there is balance between these living and non-living things, and but nowadays this balance gets upset because of human activity. Human beings are the most developed living things in nature, but their actions have upset the balance in nature. Their increasing population has led to a great increase in their needs. It has also led to the production of more waste all around. These waste material has spoiled the air, water and land all around us. So because of human activity, the environment is getting disturbed. So the addition of these harmful substances to our natural resources is called pollution. And the substances which cause pollution are called pollutants. So, pollutants are the things which disturb the environment, and this harmful substance, addition of this harmful substance in our environment is called pollution. So, we people are disturbing air, water, land, everything because of our activity. First of all, we will discuss about air pollution. What is air pollution? Mixing of unwanted things in air is called as air pollution. So what are air pollutants? Air pollutants mostly consist of gases, smoke, fumes and dust. So these are the things which disturb air or pollute air. They can be small solid particles, drops of liquids or gases. The pollutants can be human made also or natural also. So these are causes of air pollution like acid rains, burning of wood, coal, petrol, diesel, etc. So in next video I will discuss with you causes of air pollution. Okay, thank you all of you for today.